Welcome to Elevate Innovation. Today we will be showing you some of the elements of the St. Germain shelving unit. There's a lot to see. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more instructional videos. Let's get started. First, unscrew the solid shelf. Next, remove a wired shelf from the storage locker. Use the screws provided to attach the wired shelf. Place the solid shelf in the locker located in the back of the unit. You may also place the wired shelving in the locker in the back of the unit. Remember to use the screws provided, located at the bottom of the locker. Now we'll show you how to install either sets of shelving onto either side of the shelving unit. We decided to use the solid shelf first. Next, we removed a wired shelf from the locker and added it above the solid shelf. Don't forget, your screws are provided in the lower right of the locker. Now we'll show you how easy it is to remove and assemble the display header. Use the two screws provided to secure it to the back of the shelving unit. Please note you can store multiple header cards in the top of the shelving unit. And now it's complete. This has been an Elevate Innovations production. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.